Hi, today I am talking about how to include deaf or hard of hearing people in your meetings. Whether you're in the office or online, these tips will ensure everyone is part of the conversation. First up, preparation. Before the meeting, it's always good to check in with the deaf participant. Ask what methods of communication they prefer, sign language, live captions, or maybe a loop, and make sure you provide it. A sign interpreter can work online or in person, or perhaps you need to investigate if there is a hearing loop or FM system your colleague can use. Don't forget to send important documents or the agenda in advance. This helps give context so the participant can follow the conversation more easily. Next, make sure the meeting room is well lit so the deaf person can easily see everyone's face. Shadows on people's faces make it hard to lip read or follow the conversation visually, as you can see here. If you can, lay out the room in a circle or horseshoe so attendees can all see one another's faces. Try to reduce background noise as much as possible. This helps everyone in the room. And ask people to speak one at a time to make it easier to follow the conversation. Remind people to avoid covering their mouths. Hands or papers held up high can obscure your lips. You can also use visual cues, like raising a hand before speaking, to show when someone is talking. If you're online, suggest using the chat feature. It's a great way for deaf participants to engage without missing a thing. After the meeting, don't forget to follow up. Share any notes, transcripts, or important takeaways. This ensures nothing gets lost in translation. Finally, ask for feedback. Was the meeting accessible for them? What can you do better next time? So there you have it, easy ways to make your meetings more inclusive for deaf participants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.